Hey, what's up guys? Today we're making our first vodka cocktail on this channel. For this, we have this Vodka 23 that is created here in Berlin. Let's see what we can make with it. The name of the cocktail is Downtown Collins, and to make it, we're gonna use vodka as the base spirit. And this Vodka 23 is created here in Berlin, but it's actually produced in Estonia because it is produced with Estonian water from an Ice Age reservoir. As a sweetener, we're gonna use an almond-based syrup, which is called by the French orgeat, if I'm pronouncing that right. And this is going to add a very nice, nutty sweetness and flavor to it. To add some acidity, we're gonna go with some freshly squeezed lime juice, and we're also gonna muddle some cucumber slices straight into the shaker. And to add a touch of spiciness, we're gonna use ginger beer. Okay, let's give it a sip. Yeah, it's great. It's very refreshing. You got a nuttiness from the almond syrup. You get that freshness from the cucumber, slightly spiciness from the ginger beer. I mean, it's a very easy to sip on, and it's delicious. That's the way I would describe this drink. I hope that you liked the video. If so, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and have a nice sip. Cheers.